Oh wow, that was quite the storm. Okay, ahoy there. My name is Madelo Griff, and welcome back to the Vineyard Weekly Weather Report. Now, before I go off with the weather this week, I would like to address Hurricane Ian that just battered Florida today, or before today. Now, just as a disclaimer, I film all of these weather reports on Wednesday, and you see these on Tuesday. That's 2 days between me filming and when you actually see it. And well, a hurricane can move quite a lot in 2 days. So I'm not exactly sure where it's gonna be. NOAA does, but I've got my own special prediction on where I think it'll be. I call this the 1% model. Let me show you. Whoop. Okay, so this is the eastern half of the United States. Going over, there's the Atlantic Ocean. And as you can see, the red is the NOAA model. They're the ones that make all the hurricane forecasts. They're quite accurate. Then the purple one is my model, the 1% model, and that's where I think it's gonna go. If you look over here, that little dot is where it's supposed to be right now today on Friday. And then my purple one is where I think it's gonna be on Friday. Now, the reason it's supposed to go back into like South Carolina is there's some sort of low pressure system there that kind of sucks the hurricane in. But what I'm hoping for is that it doesn't get sucked in right there and it goes kind of out in the Atlantic and then gets shot back in here, hits Martha's Vineyard dead on. It's like a category 3 or something. That'd be crazy. Now, is that gonna happen? No, it will not happen at all. That's why it's called the 1% model. There's a 1% chance of it happening. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully we're gonna get some crazy weather in the next couple days. Then, starting off with this week weather report, it's gonna be a lot like fall actually. Goodbye warm weather. Starting with Friday, Saturday, supposed to be mostly cloudy. Temperatures peaking in the around mid-60, lows in the mid-50s, so bring a layer or two if you got it. And then also no rain, which is fine. Midway. Then going up into Sunday, it's gonna show showers in the morning. Not gonna be too bad, but it could be sustained the entire morning. You could have rain, and then it's gonna be overcast for the rest today. So that's fine. But the wind, oh my God, the wind! It is gonna be so windy there. I'm talking over 30 miles an hour worth of wind. It is gonna be mega windy that day. So like, I don't know. Do surfing if you enjoy that. Then going off into Monday, we got this big cold front coming over from Canada, so it's gonna be really chilly. But it's gonna be the only day that it's gonna be sunny the entire day. It's gonna be really nice weather, sunny, but just kind of cold. But then the wind, oh my God, the wind! It'll be 40 miles an hour on Sunday, okay? No, Monday. 40 miles an hour on Monday, which is enough to be categorized as a tropical storm. That's how powerful it is. It's crazy tense. Then, finally, Tuesday and Wednesday, it's gonna kind of lay off a bit. Be kind of windy, but not too much. I think like 15 miles an hour sustained. Good for sailing. And then also, it'll be kind of cloudy, mild temperatures in the mid-60s. Very, very average for October. And that's kind of what I can say about this whole week. Very average for October, but at least it's fall. Some people like that. Not my kind of cup of tea, but it is what it is. And yes, that has been your weekly weather report. Back to you, Jack.